Hey, how we doing? Go through here a couple things I've picked up in the last week or so. Start up. Got a friend at work. He knows that I collect razors, shaving stuff. Um, this is what we've got here. Not really a whole lot. So these are just, whatever. This here is a 1979 Gillette Atra. You can see Gillette. It's 1979. It's metal handle. It's an alright one. This one is known as a Black Tip Super Speed. It's 1951. Really good condition. And this one here is from 1918. If you look on the bottom here, property, U.S. Army. This was actual contracted by the government to provide soldiers for razors and avoid that nasty trench warfare stuff. Then on Facebook Marketplace, I got this box here. Whole bunch of different bevels. It says Twix bevel. Got graduations on one side. Got angles on the other side. This one I can't read what that maker is. If anybody can read it and knows, let me know. There's that one. This one, Henry Diston and Sons, big 10-inch. This one was unmarked, I believe. Can't see anything on it. This one is a Stanley number 25. Really good condition. And just neat little square. Can barely make out the graduations on it. Stamped with a owner's name. But these are cool. And I got, this is what I wanted. It's a perfect handle pry bar. The H.D. Smith & Company out of Plantsville, Connecticut. You look at these screwdrivers here. They are not perfect handle screwdrivers. Perfect Handle is an actual company, not a style, but after that company went out, then everything went to being known as Perfect Handle screwdrivers. So this one here, you can see, it's Orion's. This one here is an 8-inch Merit. This one here, I'm just using my camera to see any names. I don't see any names on it. This one here, Dunlap, 6-inch. Hear that? Loose handles. This one, still warranted. This one has been adulterated. No names on it. And this little guy, I think it just said Germany, if I remember. Yep, Germany. So that's what I've picked up. Thanks for watching.